Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Gloria B. You already know I'm back with another video. Thank you to everybody that like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Make sure that you like, make sure that you comment, make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you share my video as well. So today I am doing my first hair review and I'm so excited. So basically today I'm doing an AliExpress hair video. This is the wig that I just made and I decided to go ahead and do a review on it. So originally the hair came in a pack like this, and let me fix this. And on the pack it actually has the vendor's name, which is Beautiful Princess Hair. That's the name of the vendor, I guess, or whatever they call it. I don't know, whatever they call it, that the person that the hair came from is Beautiful Princess Hair. And then yeah, it says it's from AliExpress, and it came in this little cute little pink packet. Inside it came with, which I showed it when I was making the wig, I think it came with a 20-inch bundle, 18-inch bundle, 16-inch bundle, and a 14-inch closure. But this hair that's in here is actually the hair that I had left when I made the wig. So this is the 16-inch bundle, and this is how much I had left. Now the old me would have stacked this on my head, but as you can see, the hair is already pretty thick and it has a nice density to it, so there was no need to even add this hair. First bundle, which was the 20-inch bundle, I did double weft it, and for the 18-inch and the 16-inch I just single weft that when I sewed it on. So I had a good bit left. If I wanted to, like I said, I could add this on there, but I don't feel the need to. And as far as the hair goes, I haven't worn it that long, but the hair is very nice. As far as shedding goes, y'all see there's nothing on my hand as far as shedding, and that goes a lot into how you actually do your wig. Because if I was to, I did not cut my wefts at all. I did the fold over method at the end of each, you know, time that I want to start on a new line to sew the weft. So I did not cut my wefts, so that does great with helping my wig not to shed. But like I said, the hair overall, it feels so nice. Now as far as curls, it does hold a curl, but a lot of times with hair like this you gotta wait until it get a little till you break it in basically before the curl actually holds. But it do a little something, as you can see, like it do a little something. It was body wave too, by the way. It was not straight, it was body wave, so I straightened it on my own. The closure was I don't know if it was pre-plucked. It didn't say anything about being pre-plucked, but it did come with little baby hairs, but I didn't use the baby hairs because as far as my black hair, I don't like to do the baby hair look because I feel like it looks generic or something. I don't know, but I just like a straight, you know, natural looking, you know, closure. But I did not have to pre-pluck it. I did not have to, what else did I did not have to do? I did not have to bleach the knots. I just put a little concealer in the part area and we roll with the bang, you know what I'm saying? So I really like the hair. Like I said, a nice density. It's pretty thick, I've used my hot comb and it's still just really thick hair, and I like it because my natural hair is thick and I like the thick look. I just do. So pretty thick. Like I said, no shedding so far, and overall I would give it a 10. This is nice hair. It is soft, it is just lovely. I think this was no, this looked like a 1B or a 1, whichever one is like off black. Yeah, this is what it looked like. So I didn't dye. Usually I dye all of my bundles jet black. I love jet black, but I didn't do that with this. I just kept it the color it was. And like I said, this is nice. It's nice. It stops right here on me, so like a little bit below my breast, so that's okay. It's pretty nice. It's not too much. It looks pretty natural. Like I said, I haven't gotten any tangling at the nape area so far, but I will be doing a final review on it once I wear it for like a couple of months and, you know, stuff starts to really just show of what it can do. But oh, the closure was also a free part closure. I did not cut any layers in it. No layers, so it's just doing what it do. But yeah, like I said, I love it. Nice hair. This is the beautiful princess hair on AliExpress. So I don't know the price actually either, guys. This was gifted to me, so I don't know the price of it. But you can always go on there and, you know, look at the price yourself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this hair review. Simple hair review. I love the hair, period. I don't have anything bad to say about it, honestly. The bundles were nice. The bundles were so nice. I didn't have any stray hairs. Now I did have little red pieces in it, if y'all know what I'm talking about. The little, it'd be like little red strings that be in the hair. I did have those. I noticed that when I was sewing it, and I did just, you know, snatch them out as I went. It wasn't too many. I'd say in all it was like 5. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this hair and I can answer them, I surely will in the comment section. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all be blessed and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.